What do you think the price of Tesla will be by the end of 2023? We all know that Tesla stock has been on a downward trend over the past few months, but some analysts like Dan Ives from Wedbush Securities believe Tesla stock will triple by the end of 2023. Do you agree with them? Well, we're going to give you 5 reasons why Tesla's stock price could triple in 2023. You're not going to want to miss out on this, as some of them are going to be a surprise for you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. No doubt Tesla stock has been trading for a low price, but there is huge possibility that the company's share price is going to increase exponentially in the near future. There have been several predictions for Tesla stock, but this one, from Wedbush analysis Dan Ives, gives some definite interest. So why has Dan Ives said that Tesla stock's price is going to triple in the future? Well, we're going to find out in just a second. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Number 1. $7,500 in EV tax credits coming into effect on January 1st, 2023. As sales of electric vehicles continue to surge, many new and prospective customers have questions about qualifying for federal tax credit on electric vehicles, especially now that a slew of new conditions and credits have been reinstated to US consumers. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 is the most ambitious climate legislation in US history, and it aims to make electric vehicles a little bit more attainable, or at least that's the hope in the long run. The bill, signed into law by Joe Biden on August 16th, has allocated over $369 million for climate action, with a portion of the budget dedicated to enhancing tax credits for electric vehicle purchases. To be eligible for the credit, the car's battery must meet a minimum threshold of parts sourced from the US or countries with which it has a free trade agreement. While the requirement for the tax credit may keep several companies from benefiting from this privilege, Tesla is definitely on the list of car companies to qualify for this tax credit. According to Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn, the passage of the IRA is a significant boost towards accelerating the automaker's mission. Kirkhorn told analysts during the company's Q3 earnings call that it would also result in scaling the battery supply chain at large in the United States. Although he'd further cited that the eligibility criteria for the credit won't be fully clear until the Treasury Department publishes guidance, likely by the end of the year, he does believe that Tesla is very well positioned to capture a significant share of that for solar storage and also electric vehicles. Now this is where it gets interesting, because whatever Tesla decides to do with the tax credit, it is still in a good position to benefit greatly. Look at it this way. If Tesla keeps prices the same, the demand for its cars will inevitably grow, especially as the car company continues to improve on its EVs. And if the car company chooses to increase prices over the coming years, while demand may not be high enough, profit will surely soar in the coming years. Number 2. More gigafactories will be announced and start production. Tesla CEO Elon Musk had previously hinted at Tesla's plans to expand its network of factories as the company aims to meet his ambition to build as many as 20 million electric cars per year. Musk projects that Tesla could make as many as 20 million cars a year by 2030. While several analysts believe this to be too ambitious, Musk disclosed that the firm had recently completed its 3 millionth vehicle within a few weeks, even though 10 years ago it had made less than 3,000 cars. While addressing stockholders at Tesla's annual meeting, Musk said that Tesla was well on track to achieve a production run rate of 2 million vehicles by the end of the year. According to him, Tesla may end up building at least 10 or 12 gigafactories in order to meet an output of between 1.5 to 2 million units per factory by 2030. The automaker is on the move to scale up production at its already existing factories. Its Vermont factory may soon start scaling up with automation, just like Tesla's factory in Shanghai, and will most likely record good production values in the coming years. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video, as there's a bonus Tesla catalyst that's gonna surge prices overnight. Number 3. Tesla noise is dying down, and advertisers and we know this because Twitter noise is dying down. There have been several comments about Elon Musk's recent involvement with Twitter. The Tesla CEO purchase of the social media company has caused numerous objections from analysts who believe that Musk's new job may be keeping him away from Tesla. Elon Musk himself has also confirmed that his workload has increased and he is looking to hire a new CEO for the business. However, the fears are beginning to die down, and Musk also seems to be in good control of his work at Twitter. Likewise, The release of the semi-truck has also given investors something new to focus on. Rather than paying attention to the noise, it's better to focus on Tesla's profitability and its ability to keep scaling up production over the coming years. Number 4, the FED will probably pivot with interest rates. There's a good possibility that the FED is going to be pausing interest rate hikes as inflation seems to be calming. Market expectations are running high, and policymakers will likely approve another rate hike, but this time opting for a 0.5 percentage point or a 50 basis point move. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller recently said he is open to reducing the level of interest rate increases soon, so long as the economic data cooperates. According to him, the data of the past few weeks has made it more comfortable and prompts him to consider stepping down to a 50 basis point hike. In September, the FED raised its benchmark interest rate by 0.75 percentage points, which was the third of such outsized rate increases in a row, bringing the FED rate to 3 to 3.25%. This hike in interest rate has significantly affected stock price and raised fears about what the future holds. But for now, the fears seem to be easing as the FED has admitted to lower inflation rates. Federal Reserve Vice Chair Lyle Brainard also said that she was encouraged by the recent US inflation report, which pointed to slower price increases, and that the FED would likely soon reduce the size of its interest rate hikes. Number 5. Cybertruck roll deliveries. This is highly anticipated and could be a good boost to the stock. Tesla's looking to start making its Cybertruck next year, and the electric vehicle is reportedly aiming to progress from initial production to mass production within a few quarters. While Tesla's pretty conservative about this, recent reports have disclosed that the vehicle could be entering mass production by the end of next year. At the Tesla semi-delivery event, the automaker unveiled its new 1MW DC fast charging technology for the Tesla Semi. Although the car company had previously disclosed that it had something like this for its semi-truck, the big news is that it's actually going to be used by Tesla's semi-truck. Tesla's skeptics have argued about the feasibility of the Cybertruck hitting the market, and these arguments have not only been about the Cybertruck but also its next-generation Roadster. But the narratives may soon be changing. According to Tesla's third quarter update, the Cybertruck's development has reportedly entered the tooling phase. During the automaker's Q3 2022 earnings call, Musk noted that Giga Texas facilities are already being prepared for the Cybertruck. And recent job listings on Tesla's careers website suggest that Musk's comments may indeed be accurate. Tesla has reportedly started hiring for Cybertruck production. Now it's time for your bonus fact about Tesla's catalyst. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla updates. Number 6. Buyback announcements should come in 2023. Following the recent drops in Tesla's stock price, several analysts have suggested a share buyback for Tesla in order to boost the price of its stock. One of those analysts is managing partner of the Future Fund LLC, Gary Black, who had previously suggested that Tesla's board could authorize a $10 billion share buyback program and use $5 billion to immediately buy back shares from Elon Musk. Luckily, Musk has recently confirmed during Tesla's Q3 earnings call that the car company is likely to do a meaningful buyback next year, possibly between $5 billion to $10 billion. If Tesla eventually proceeds with its share buyback, then the stock price may eventually reach a high price, probably tripling in the future. Do you think Tesla stock can soar this high? Let us know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to in the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.